Embark on an extraordinary journey where life's true treasures await: nature, weather, and the timeless magic of disconnecting from the modern world. Welcome to Morocco, a land of diverse landscapes, exquisite gastronomy, and the warmest of welcomes. Here you can experience the beauty of the Moroccan Sahara, the only place where you can witness all 4 seasons in a single day. In Morocco, you'll find more than just stunning scenery. You'll discover a hospitality that's as boundless as our landscapes. Meet the people who share their stories and smiles far from the confines of city life. These journeys teach us priceless lessons. They remind us of the importance of trust and camaraderie with our fellow riders. You know you can count on Omar Saidi, leader of the Bikers Brotherhood, and his team, no matter what. When you encounter mountain dwellers living humbly yet radiating happiness, you realize that true joy isn't found in wealth or social status. It's in the little things often overlooked in our fast-paced lives. As we journey together on our motorcycles, we remain in constant communion with nature. We explore uncharted roads that don't exist on maps. This adventure is challenging in terrain, in danger, and with no network coverage. Over the past 12 years, we've traversed every corner of Morocco, from north to south, yet every ride reveals new trails and awe-inspiring landscapes. Some are so incredible that you might not believe they're right here in Morocco. What touched us the most were the people of these mountains who generously shared their lives with us. Our ultimate goal isn't just to show you Morocco's beauty, but to invite you to experience this unparalleled adventure led by Omar Saidi and his Bikers Brotherhood team. Our road trip season runs from April 15th to June 10th, offering 6 distinct programs. Each program offers unique landscapes, durations, and challenges. All-inclusive packages provide guides, mechanics, doctors, photographers, towing insurance, accommodations, full board meals, and most importantly, the spirit of adventure. If you're ready to embark on this life-changing adventure, visit our website at bikers-trip.com for program details. Reach out to us on Instagram or WhatsApp for more information and booking options. We offer a fleet of 30 motorcycles for rent, including GS 750, 850, 1250, Tenere, Royal Enfield, and more, specially tailored for this journey. Each program is limited to just 10 participants, so reservations are open now. Experience Morocco like never before. Join us on a road trip of a lifetime, led by Omar Saidi and his dedicated team at Bikers Brotherhood, and create memories that will stay with you forever. Adventure awaits and the road is calling. Will you answer?